In today's video, we're diving into an all-in-one business platform that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, and that's System.io. So if you've been searching for a robust yet affordable tool to manage everything from sales funnels to email marketing, then you're in the right place. By the end of this review, you'll know if System.io is right for your business needs. Now, if at any time during the video you want to get started with System.io, we've got a link down in the description to do so. Over the years, I've tried out countless online business tools, everything from website builders to funnel creators. When I first heard about it, my initial reaction was, there's no way that it can do all of that and still be free. But I decided to dive in and see for myself. So let's go ahead and break down what I discovered. First off, let's talk about the free plan. It's pretty impressive. You get access to funnels, email marketing, website and blog creation, course creation, affiliate programs, and more. Everything that you need to get started with your online business is included. For instance, you can build funnels with ease. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, similar to other popular tools out there on the market. You can create sections, rows, and elements like forms, text, and images. It's very user-friendly, and if you're used to any type of drag and drop editor that you've used in the past, then you'll be able to pick this up in no time. Let's talk a little bit more about the funnel builder. So you can start by selecting from a variety of different templates, which is a huge time saver. So whether you need a sales funnel, a lead generation funnel, or a webinar funnel, there's a template out there for you. You can customize these templates to fit your brand by adding your own images, text, and colors. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy even for beginners. One standout feature is the ability to set deadline settings in your funnels. For example, if you're running a limited time offer, you can set an end date and the funnel will automatically redirect visitors once the offer expires. This is great for creating a sense of urgency and driving conversions. Another feature that impressed me is the A/B testing functionality. You can test different versions of your pages to see which ones perform better. This is crucial for optimizing your funnels and improving your conversion rates. The stats and analytics provided are comprehensive, allowing you to track sales, leads, and other key metrics. Email marketing and automations. Next, let's dive into email marketing. While it might not be as advanced as some dedicated email marketing tools, it gets the job done for most businesses. You can create email sequences, set delays, and personalize your emails. The email marketing tools within System.io are surprisingly robust. You can create both newsletter and automated email campaigns. The visual email editor is intuitive and offers various templates to choose from. You can add text, images, buttons, and even custom HTML if you're tech savvy. What really stands out is the automation workflows. You can create triggers and actions like sending an email when someone signs up for a webinar or purchases a course. These workflows can be customized based on a user behavior, making it a powerful feature for nurturing leads and upselling products. For example, you can set up a workflow to send a welcome email immediately after someone subscribes to your list. Then you can follow up with additional emails over the next few days or weeks, guiding your subscribers through your sales funnel. The ability to segment your audience based on their actions or tags is also a great feature, allowing you to send more targeted and relevant emails. One thing to note is that while System.io offers a lot of email marketing features, it might not replace more advanced tools like ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, or MailChimp if you need very complex automation and segmentation. However, for most small businesses, this is going to be more than enough. Course and blog creation. System.io also shines in course and blog creation. You can set up a blog in minutes with several templates to choose from. It might not have all the bells and whistles of WordPress, but for those who need a simple solution, it's perfect. The blog creation tool is straightforward. You can choose from various templates, customize them to match your brand, and start publishing content immediately. The editor is similar to the funnel builder with a drag and drop interface that makes it easy to add and format text, images, videos, and any other elements. You can also optimize your posts for SEO by adding meta titles, descriptions, and keywords. Creating courses is another area where System.io excels. You can add videos, text, and track student progress. While it's not as feature-rich as something like Thinkific, it's sufficient for most online course creators, especially if you're just starting out. To create a course, you simply add modules and lessons. Each lesson can include videos, text, quizzes, and downloadable resources. You can also set up drip schedules to release content gradually, which is great for keeping your students engaged. The student dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, providing a good user experience. One thing I appreciate about the System.io's course creation tool is that it integrates seamlessly with other features. So for example, you can use the same drag and drop editor to create your course sales page, and you can set up automated email sequences to onboard new students and get them engaged. Section 5, user interface and usability. The user interface is another highlight. It's clean, easy to navigate, and everything is logically laid out. For beginners who often feel overwhelmed by complex tools, System.io is a breath of fresh air. Once you log in, you're greeted with a dashboard that gives you an overview of your business. You can see your sales, leads, and other key metrics at a glance. The main menu is organized into sections like funnels, emails, automations, products, and sales, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. However, it's not perfect. Sometimes it takes a few more clicks to get things done, and I'd love to see some improvements in bulk editing features. Section 6, customer support and reliability. Customer support is crucial for any business tool, and System.io does not disappoint. Their support team is responsive and helpful. Plus, they have a solid reputation on Trustpilot with a 4.9 out of 5 rating with over 2,000 reviews. Reliability has been solid in my experience, and other users seem to agree. I haven't encountered any major issues with downtime or bugs, which is reassuring. The platform is hosted on reliable servers, and they have a track record of maintaining good uptime and performance. If you need help, you can contact their support team via email or live chat. They also have a comprehensive knowledge base with articles and tutorials on how to use the various features. I found the support team to be knowledgeable and quick to respond, which is always a good sign. Pricing and plans. Now let's talk pricing. The free plan is generous, but as your business grows, you might need more features. The paid plans are very budget friendly, starting at $27 per month and going up to $97 per month for unlimited access. The free plan includes all the basics, but as you scale, the higher tier plans offer more automation rules, additional workflows, and advanced features. If you're running webinars, you'll need the $47 per month plan. Even at the highest tier, it's still more affordable than many competitors. For example, the $27 per month startup plan includes 5,000 email contacts, 10 sales funnels, 5 membership sites, and 10 automation rules. The $47 per month webinar plan includes unlimited email sends, 10,000 email contacts, 50 sales funnels, and 10 custom domains. The top tier $97 per month enterprise plan offers unlimited email sends, 15,000 email contacts, unlimited sales funnels, and priority support. What I appreciate about System.io's pricing is that it's transparent and straightforward. There are no hidden fees, and you can upgrade or downgrade your plan at any time. Plus, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. And if you want to get started with System.io, we have a link down in the description to get started right away. So let's take a little walk through System.io. So once you get set up with System.io on a free plan, this is exactly what the dashboard here looks like. So as I spoke about earlier, the dashboard will show you an overview of your business, and here it's showing that I have 0 leads, which is because I just created this account right now. And if we come up here to the top and we hover over dashboard, we can see there's the main dashboard, we have an affiliate dashboard, a student dashboard, and a marketplace. All 4 different varying needs depending on your business. Next, we have the contacts. So here we can select the contacts here. And if we come below that, we have different tags. So here we can go ahead and create different tags to create different segmentation amongst our contacts. Next to contacts up at the top, we have funnels. And to create a new funnel, all you have to do is click create up here in the top right. And here you can name it, give it a specific domain, and then choose a specific type of funnel that you want to create, whether that's to build an audience, to sell, a custom funnel, or run an evergreen webinar. Lastly, you can select your currency and begin creating your funnel. The next tab here we have emails, and under emails we have newsletters, campaigns, and statistics. So to start a new newsletter, just click on newsletter and then click on create in the top right. Here you can type in your subject, the sender name, the sender email, and here you can select either the visual editor or the classic editor. After you select one of these 2 templates on the free plan, we can go ahead and hit save, and then you can start creating your newsletters. To start a new campaign, just click on campaigns, click on create, and now you can start creating your new campaign. Moving up to the top right here, we have blogs. So if we go ahead and click on blogs, we can click in the top right here to create a new blog. Now from here, we can name this, give it a specific domain, as well as a URL path, and we can select from these different templates here. So before you select your template, you can also preview it. So if we go ahead, click on preview template, this is what your blog will look like based on this template. So you can get a feel for it before you commit to it. Next, we have automation. So there are 2 tabs under automations. There's rules and workflow. So to create a new rule, just click on rules, come up here and click create. And here we have some basic rule creation tools. So here we have the trigger. So when this event happens, we can go ahead and select whatever that is, whether that be a tags added, removed, funnel step from subscribed, any of these triggers happen, we can select an action over here on the right side to create this automation. Now, taking a quick look at workflows here. To create a new workflow, just click on workflow and click create in the top right, give it a name and hit save. And then from here, just click on workflow. And now we can visually create this workflow. So you can click here to select your trigger, whether that be a tag added, campaign completed, registered webinar, or any of these options here. And the visual workflow builder is very intuitive and easy to use. Next, we have the products page. So here, there are a couple different options. There's the physical products. We have orders, coupons, courses, and communities. So let's go ahead and take a look at the courses real quick. And if we come up here to the top right, we can click on add new course. Here we can name the course, and then we can select some different themes here. So after selecting a theme, we go ahead and click save. And now we can go ahead and click on this course here. We can either add students, we can go look at the students, we can add modules, view and customize the theme, as well as these other settings here related to this specific course. And lastly here, we have the sales tab. So up here, we can go through different transactions, subscriptions, affiliate invoices, as well as your own affiliate program, so you can start earning through System.io itself. So that was just a brief overview of System.io. Again, if you want to get started with it, there is a link down in the description to do so. All right, section 8, pros and cons. So who is System.io for? It's perfect for small business owners, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to start an online business without breaking the bank. It's also great for those who want an all-in-one solution that's easy to use. Now, on the downside, it might not be the best choice for businesses needing highly specialized tools or advanced customization options. But for most, it's more than sufficient. So let's break down some of the pros. First one being it has a comprehensive free plan. It includes all the basics that you need to get started. It's got a user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate and use even for beginners. It's got some great features, including funnels, email marketing, course creation, and more. It's got affordable pricing. The paid plans offer great value for money. They have reliable support with a responsive customer service team and an extensive knowledge base. Now, some of the cons. Limited advanced features. So it may not be suitable for businesses needing more complex automation and customization. There are some workflow inefficiencies. So System.io could benefit from some improved bulk editing features, just to name a few. So to wrap things up, System.io offers incredible value, especially considering its free plan. It's user-friendly, feature-rich, and perfect for those just starting out or looking to streamline their online business operations. If you're curious to try out System.io, we'll leave a link down in the description to do so. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.